All right, let's cut right to it. If you work in HR, recruitment, or learning and development, this is where AI finally starts to make sense. We're going to get rid of all the hype and show you exactly how you can use AI like today. No coding, no super technical background needed. Let's just dive in.
Okay, this right here, this is the single most important thing to get, which is why we're starting with it. This whole idea that you need to be some kind of tech wizard to use AI, it's just not true anymore. The game has completely changed, and it's now open for everyone.
And look, this isn't just a nice theory. We are talking about real, tangible results. Right now, there are teams out there saving over 20 hours of work every single week just by using the simple ideas we're about to cover. That's the kind of practical impact we're focused on.
So if it's so useful, why does so many of us in HR feel kind of stuck or maybe even a little overwhelmed by AI? Let's tackle that head on, because you know what? Your hesitation is completely valid. Does this feel familiar? I bet it does. There's just this constant buzz, right? All this technical jargon flying around, and then these really legitimate concerns about risk and compliance. I mean, it's enough to make you want to just tune it all out. You are not alone in feeling this way.
And this really gets to the heart of it. The technology itself isn't the problem. The problem is the way it's been explained to us. So we're here to fix that. And it all starts with one simple little shift in how you think about AI.
Okay, this is it. This is the core idea of this whole explainer. If you can really grasp this next concept, everything else just kind of falls into place. This is what turns AI from something intimidating into something incredibly useful.
So I want you to stop thinking of AI as some complicated software you have to go and master. Instead, I want you to think of it as a thinking assistant. See, you don't learn an assistant, do you? No, you guide it. You give it the context, you give it direction, and you provide the final judgment. This slide just shows that contrast so perfectly. You see the old model on the left? It feels complex, it feels frustrating, but this new model on the right, well, that's empowering. It puts you in the driver's seat, and it makes AI feel calm, useful, and most importantly, safe. Okay, so with that new mindset, let's get really practical. Let's talk about exactly how this thinking assistant of yours can help with your daily tasks across all the key HR functions.
Let's kick things off with recruitment. This is an area that's seeing some of the biggest and most immediate wins, both in efficiency and, believe it or not, in quality.
So imagine this. Your AI assistant can help you draft a really compelling job description in just minutes. It can generate structured interview questions to keep everything consistent. It can even summarize those really dense resumes. But here's the crucial part. The AI gives you the first draft, but you, the human recruiter, you are always in complete control of that final decision. All right, next up, learning and development. This is a function that is being, well, completely transformed by this new way of working. Just picture it, turning a 50-page policy document into an engaging, bite-sized learning module in under an hour. Or, instantly generating quizzes for a new training program. Things that used to take weeks of specialized work now literally take hours, and you don't need an instructional design degree to do it. And finally, let's look at the core of HR ops and the employee experience. This is where AI really helps you clear away what I like to call the admin fog.
Seriously, think about it. Your assistant can rewrite that dense policy language into simple terms that all employees can actually understand, or it can analyze thousands of survey comments to pull out the key themes. This frees you up from all that admin to have more of those strategic human-to-human conversations.
Okay, so this all sounds great in theory, but let's look at the actual proof. Let's look at the numbers. And right after that, we are going to cover the single most important rule for using AI ethically in HR. So this is what it looks like in the real world. One L&D manager we know took their course creation time on a pretty major project from a full 40-hour work week all the way down to just 8 hours. That's an entire week of work done in a single day. Here's another one. A fast-growing company was really struggling with a 45-day time to hire. By using AI to help out with sourcing and some of that initial screening communication, they slashed it down to just 21 days. That is a massive competitive advantage. And this one, wow, this one is powerful. By using their AI assistant to handle tasks they used to have to outsource, like content creation and data analysis, one HR team saved their company over 40 lakhs in a single year. No new headcount, no new software budget, just a better way of thinking. Okay, this is the critical principle, so let me say it again. AI does not make HR decisions. Humans do.
Empathy, ethics, and that final judgment call, those must always be human responsibilities. Think of AI as a support tool for better human decisions, never a replacement for them.
So what does all this mean for your career? Well, it means the very definition of what a great HR leader is evolving. The key skill for the future isn't technical, it's about literacy. You see, the leaders who are winning now and who are definitely going to win in the coming years, they're not coders, they are AI literate. They understand how to guide their thinking assistant. And this makes them calm, it makes them strategic, and it allows them to use this amazing technology without any fear.
And really, that's what we're all about here. If you're in HR, recruitment, or L&D, and you want AI explained without the hype, without the fear, and without any coding, well, you should probably subscribe to this channel and keep learning with us.
Because at the end of the day, AI isn't here to replace the human part of HR, it's here to make it better. It's a tool to support our judgment, to free us up for what really matters. And the HR professionals who truly, deeply understand this, they're the ones who are going to shape the future of work.